How to delete liked videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete liked videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to delete liked videos on TikTok, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok app. Now let's say that over the time you just happen to go ahead and then basically select many photos and then like them over here. You scroll through many videos, now you want to figure out where that video is. So how do you find it? Well, now in order to find it, you just have to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. If you look at this navigation menu, you'll find this little heart-shaped icon, and when you go to the heart-shaped icon, you'll be able to see a list of videos that you have liked in the past. So here are a list of videos that you have basically liked in the past. If you want, you can select that certain video and then just go ahead and then unlike it as well. This way you'll be able to delete liked videos on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.